So, today in Air Around Us, we will understand that do we inhale dust particles also when we breathe in air? So, when we breathe in air, we inhale every part of air, but our bodies have been designed in a way that we can filter out all the unwanted constituents of the air. When we breathe air, whatever gases are mixed in the air, all will be inhaled into our lungs. But our bodies are clever enough to selectively pick the gas it needs from the mixture. Let's see how it happens. Like our body's requirement is mainly the oxygen gas. So our body has designed the RBCs in such a way that it can trap only oxygen into it. Just for your imagination's sake, think of a triangular shaped container. What kind of things can fit into it properly? So, only the objects of triangular shape and size. Any other shape won't fit perfectly. So, nature has designed our red blood cells accordingly for oxygen also. Dust particles are prevented from entering into our bodies by the nasal hair and mucus. So, this mucus is actually a sticky substance produced in the nasal area. Now, let us talk a little more about water vapor, which is again an important constituent of air. So, you know that evaporation and condensation they are important processes of the water cycle on earth. Because of the water cycle, there is always some amount of water vapor present in the air. But this amount in the air varies from place to place. Like near the water bodies, we may find more amount of water vapor in the air, whereas in the dry places like desert areas, we may not find that much amount of water vapor in the air. So, vapor formed because of evaporation of water from oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, and transpiration in plants is called water vapor. Amount of water vapor in the air varies from place to place. It may reach up to 4% at higher levels. When air has trace amount of water vapor, it is called dry air. And when it has 2 to 4% of water vapor, it is called humid air. Now, amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Humidity level in the air is different in different places depending upon the weather and geographical conditions of that place. For example, humidity is more in Mumbai than in Delhi. Delhi has more humidity during the rainy season than in any other season. So, water vapor also plays an important role in the Earth's weather because it is responsible for the formation of clouds and rains. Earlier, we talked about dust, which is present in the air and is not good for our health. So, today we will talk about smoke. Smoke in air comes from burning objects and from vehicles and factory chimneys. Both dust and smoke are harmful for us, and we need to protect ourselves from them. Smoke contains harmful gases like oxides of nitrogen, sulfur, carbon, etc., which are not good for our health. Now, percentage of smoke is different at different places. The percentage of dust and smoke is different at different places. Industrial areas have more smoke than non industrial areas. You must have seen long chimneys of the factories, and we assume that by installing these long chimneys, we can prevent ourselves from the smoke which is harmful for our health. But we also have to realize that in doing so, we are bringing this smoke closer to the birds, which are an important part of our ecosystem.